Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve another problem involving area by coordinate. So this time guys, ang problem na isolve natin is a quadrilateral. So ibig sabihin we have 4 coordinates. So therefore that is 4 vertices. So syempre yung first step natin is using the Heron's formula. Bakit ko nasabi na Heron's formula? Kasi yung quadrilateral guys, pwede natin siyang hatiin sa dalawang parts and compute natin yung area ng dalawang triangle tsaka ipag-add natin. So given the coordinates of a quadrilateral whose vertices are points 3, 2, negative 3, 1, 4, 5, and 1, 6. So plot natin guys yung points 3, 2, negative 3, 1, 4, 5, and 1, 6. So 3, 2, that is somewhere here. So 1, 2, 3, and we have 2. So this is, let's say point A, that is 3, 2. And we have another point that is negative 3, 1. So negative 3, 1. So that is somewhere here. And we have, so this is negative 3, 1. And we have another point that is 4, 5. Okay, so mamaya na natin lagyan ng letters para sunod-sunod yung letters natin. So for this third point, 4, 5, that is somewhere here. So 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5. So let's say that this is B. Okay, so where is 1, 6? So this is 1, 6, somewhere here. So that is point C. That is 1, 6. And this is point D. Okay, so let's just connect the points and form the quadrilateral. Okay guys, so we have this area. So find the area of this quadrilateral. So first step, okay, so yung first step natin guys is to divide this figure into two triangles. Okay, so we have triangle ABC and we have triangle ACD. Add lang natin yung kanilang areas. So for triangle, okay, so for triangle ABC, so we can compute the area using Heron's formula. Diba? So yung Heron's formula is area is equal to S. Okay, that's the square root of S times S minus A quantity times quantity S minus B times quantity S minus C. So S is the semi-perimeter. Okay, so we have discussed this concept in our previous video. So connected siya dito sa video na to guys. And S is the semi-perimeter. So basically just add the sides and divide it by 2. So let's just first compute for each side of this triangle AB. So for side AB, that is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. So that is 4 minus 3. So that is distance formula squared. Plus, we have here y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So y sub 2 is 5. So that is 5. Okay, minus y sub 1, that is squared. Equals. So therefore, side AB is square root of 10. Then let's compute for side, say side BC. So what is side BC? So square root of, that is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So that is 1 minus 4. Square root of 1 minus 4 squared, plus we have here y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So that is 6 minus 5. And squared. So equals lang natin guys. Side BC is square root of 10 also. So BC is square root of 10. So let's compute for side AC. So what is side AC? Okay, so side AC is, we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So that is 1 minus 3. So that is squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So that is 6 minus 2 and that is squared. So equals lang natin guys. So side AC is 2 square root of 5. 2 square root of 5. So basically, these sides here, ayan, side AB, we can designate that as side A, okay, small letter, and BC, let's say B, and C, that is etong si AC. Okay, so this is the general formula for getting the area of a triangle given three sides. And the next step is to get the semi-perimeter, guys. So semi-perimeter is just equal to the sum of the sides. So we have square root of 10 plus square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5, of course, divided by 2. Semi-perimeter. So S is equal to, so that is square root of 10 plus square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5, and you have over 2. So that gives you square root of 10 plus square root of 5. Okay, 5.4. Okay, square root of 10 plus square root of 5. So let's just say that is 5.4. Or you can input the exact value. Square root of 10 plus square root of 5. Okay, so area, the area of ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to the square root of, so that is S, square root of 10 plus square root of 5 times S minus A, so that is square root of 10 plus square root of 5 minus A natin, that is AB, side AB, so square root of 10 times the quantity S minus B, so that is S natin, square root of 10 plus square root of 5 minus, so that is B. B natin, let's say, itong si side BC. So that is square root of 10. And we have square root of 10 plus square root of 5. So that is S minus C. So C is, you have here 2 square root of 5. Okay. So let's just identify what will cancel out here. So square root of 10 will cancel out. Yan. Square root of 10 minus square root of 10. And it remains this. And this is the simplified expression. Okay, triangle ABC. So let's just input that into our calculator. Okay. So to lessen, okay, the number that you are going to input in your calculator, just store this value. Okay, so shift store, let's say A. So it is already stored in A. So square root of, so ano yung semi-perimeter natin? Nasa A. So alpha A times the quantity we have here, square root of 5. So that is square root of 5. Okay, so don't input na yung alpha A kasi dito simplify. So square root of 5 na lang plus, multiply. Okay, multiplied by, okay, that is square root of 5. Then we have dito, meron pa tayong semi-perimeter. Ayan, square root of 5 plus square root of 10. So that is A. So A, alpha A minus 2 square root of 5. Okay, so that gives you the exact value of your area, AB, so 5. Okay, 5 square units. So you have this area, 5 square units. So the area of this triangle ABC. So what about triangle ACD? So for triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD. So same concept, guys, that is square root of semi-perimeter times S minus A times S minus B times, we have here, S minus C. But here, of course, the length of the sides are not the same as here. So compute natin yung mga lengths of side nitong ACD. Okay? Let's compute. So what is the side AC? So given yung side AC natin, that is 2 square root of 5. Already computed earlier. So what is side, say, CD? So side CD, you can compute that. Ayan. So, distance formula. So, that is square root of 1 minus negative 3. So, that is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, 1 minus negative 3. So, that is squared plus 6 minus 1. So, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, 6 minus 1 squared. So, that is square root of 41. Square root of 41. So, what about side AD? So, side AD, square root of, so x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, 3 minus negative 3. So, 3 minus negative 3. So, that is squared. Plus, we have 2 minus 1. So, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, 2 minus 1 squared equal. So, that is square root of 37. So, what is the semi-perimeter of triangle ACD? So, semi-perimeter. Okay, so add lang natin yung mga sides. That is square root of 41. Okay, plus we have 2 square root of 5. Okay, plus we have square root of 37. So, over 2. So, equals. So, it gives you this value. So, 8.4, okay, 8.479. Okay, 8.479. But that's not the exact value. So, we can actually store. Okay, store natin itong value. Let's say, shift store sa B. So, nasa letter B na siya. So, let's compute for the area. So, square root of semi-perimeter natin, nasa B siya, alpha B. Times, we have here semi-perimeter minus, isang side, gawa ka ng isang side. So, 2 square root of 5. Then, we have semi-perimeter, so alpha B. Minus, yung ating isa pang side. So, that is square root of 41. So, we have here times the quantity alpha B, which is the semi-perimeter. Minus yung isa pang side remaining, so that is square root of 37. So, equals lang natin. This gives us the value or the area for this other triangle. So, equals lang natin. So, 13. So, 13 square units. Okay? So, the area of triangle ACD is 13 square units. So, if you are going to get the area, total area, just add the area of ABC and the area of triangle ACD. So, that is 5 square units. Okay, 5 square units. Plus, we have 13 square units. So, that is, total area is 18 square units. So, this is the final answer for this problem. Okay, now, let us go to our calculator technique. Okay, let's solve this using our Caltech. So, let's solve this problem using your calculator technique. So, basically, guys, this is the fastest way to do this in the board examination if you're taking up the board exam. So, just press mode and matrix number 6 and matrix A, number 1. And we will form a 3 by 3 matrix. So, if you have already watched my first video, I know, guys, na marunong na kayo nitong method na to. So, ang gagawin lang natin, so, let's focus here sa isang triangle ABC. So, input lang natin yung, yung ating coordinates. So, basically, yung ating pattern of paglagay dito sa ating matrix is counterclockwise. So, basically, ABC, ganun, hindi ACB. So, ABC yung natin. That is counterclockwise direction. So, ABC. Okay, let's input that here. So, 3, 2. So, 3 equals 2 equals. And sa third column natin, guys, lagyan mo lang ng 1. Okay? So, lahat ng third column, lahat yan 1. And, etong first and second column will be the x and y coordinate. So, etong first column, x coordinate. Etong second column, that is your y coordinate. Okay? So, for B, that is 4, 5. So, 4 equals 5 equals. For the third column, just input 1. Okay, for the third side, that is 1 and 6. 1, 6. And for the third column, that is 1 lang. Okay, press AC. Then get the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, but you should multiply that by 1/2. So our formula will be 1/2 times the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. So 1/2, that is 0.5, okay, times the determinant, so shift, okay, matrix number 4, then determinant. Okay, lagay natin yung matrix A. So shift 4 matrix A. And lagyan lang natin ng groupings. Ayan. So after you input that, just click equals. Ayan. That gives you the area of this triangle. So it reflects naman dun sa ating computation. So that is 5. Okay, di ba? Yan, 5 square units. So area of triangle ABC using our calculator technique is also, of course, 5 square units. So let's try our calculator technique in our second triangle. Okay, so basically the process is the same. So input lang natin, calculator. Okay, baguhin lang natin yung matrix natin kanina. So mode matrix. So mode, we have here matrix number 6. And we have here matrix A. So that is a 3 by 3 matrix. So yung direction natin, guys, okay, edit lang natin yan, is also, again, counterclockwise. So that is A, C, D. So input lang natin si A. So that is 3. So parehas lang dito sa ating data kanina. So 1. And for C, that is 1, 6. So lagay natin 1. Okay, 6. Edit lang natin yung kanina. So remains the same lang yung ating third column. So for the third coordinate, that is negative 3, 1. So negative 3 and equals lang. And that is 1. Okay, negative 3, 1. And for the third column, just input 1. Okay, that is now your data. So AC and 1/2 times the determinant. Okay, so shift 4, determinant. So number 7. Determinant of matrix A. So shift matrix A. So lagay lang natin yung groupings and just press equals. So 13. Okay guys, so ganun kabilis. So walang manual, wala tayong sinulat pero nasolve natin yung problem. Okay, so that is for the area of triangle ACD. So 13 square units. So area of triangle ACD, that is 13 square units. So total ng area is 18 square units. Okay, so na-confirm natin yung ating manual solution kanina using the Heron's formula. So the next method that we are going to use will be the shoelace method. Okay, shoelace method yung next step. Okay, so burain natin to para dito na tayo magsulat. Okay, so far I hope that you are learning from this, and thank you guys for supporting this channel. As always, you've been so supportive. Since day one, you're here and you're supporting my contents in this channel. So you can also follow me guys sa Facebook, no? So I'm posting there mga events, mga webinars sa mathematics that you can join so that mas ma-improve nyo pa yung inyong mathematics skills. Especially since I'm an engineer, so yung talagang target attendees are engineering students, STEM students, and mathematics majors, since sila talaga yung mga nagtitake up ng mga ganitong subjects. So let's go back to the third method, which is the shoelace formula. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is, that is area 1/2, then lalatag lang natin lahat ng coordinates. So dito we have x1, okay, y1, we have x2, y2, and we have x3, y3, and since apat sila, we have here x4, y4, then ulitin lang natin yung naunang data, that is x1, y1. Okay, so gawin natin 1/2 times, okay, shoelace is shoelace natin siya, so 1/2 times the quantity x1 times y2, okay, minus y1 times x2 plus x2 times y3 minus y2 times x3 plus x3 times y4 minus y3 times x4 plus x4 times y1 minus y4 times x1. So, ganun gagawin natin, guys. Okay, so that will be, so 1/2 times, okay, so dito guys, notice that yung ating direction is counterclockwise. So, if you choose a clockwise direction, let's say A, D, C, B, yung arrangement ng ating coordinates, ang makukuha mong answer guys is negative. So, that is just okay. So, okay lang yun guys. Just get the absolute value. Okay, pag nakalimutan nyo na dapat counterclockwise yung direction, okay lang din yun. Just get the absolute value since syempre kapag area, wala naman tayong negative area. So, get the positive value of that. Absolute value. So, lagay natin yung mga points. So, that is 3, 2. Okay. First point, so A and B is, you have here 4, 5. And for C, that is 1, 6. And for D, that is negative 3, 1. And just input the first value. So, that is 3, 2. And apply the shoelace. Okay. So, lahat ng papunta rito, that is positive. So, lahat yan add. Okay. Lahat ng papunta rito, okay, that is minus. Subtract natin lahat yan. So, let's just input that here. So, 1/2, okay, mode 1, computation. Normal computation siya guys. So, 1/2 times the quantity we have here, 3 times 5. So, that is 3 times 5. Okay, minus, we have here 2 times 4. So, minus 2 times 4. Okay, plus 4 times 6. Plus 4, we have here 4 times 6. And we have minus 5 times 1. So, minus 5 times 1. So, that's just 5. Okay, plus, we have here 1 times 1. Okay, so that is 1 times 1. So, plus 1 times 1. So, that is just 1. Minus 6 times negative 3. Minus 6 times negative 3. And we have here plus negative 3 times 2. Negative 3 times 2. And we have minus 1 times 3. Okay, minus 1 times 3. So, that's just 3. So, put a grouping, then just click or press equal. So, it gives you a value of 18 square units. Okay, so that's how you solve. So, using the shoelace method. So, area is equal to 18 square units. So, just pick a method. So, if you are in college, of course, you need the manual solving. Required dun sa mga exam, di ba? So, yung manual solving. So, for the board exam, ang advisable kong method is the shoelace or the matrix method. So, kasi yung matrix method, dalawang method pa siya when you are solving. Pero itong si shoelace, dire-diretso na. So, if you have 5 vertices, 6 vertices, just arrange it here in your shoelace, then input or perform the operations, and you're good to go. Tama yung makukuha mo dyan. As long as tama yung arrangement ng vertices, and tama yung direction mo, and tama yung formula na input mo. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that you have learned from this, and continue guys supporting this channel. Thank you for all your support. Since day one talaga you're here, and I really appreciate that. You're the reason why I'm continuing doing these videos, and thank you for your appreciation. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video.